Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put seats down in a Mitsubishi Outlander. First, let's look at the front passenger seat. To maximize cargo space, you can often recline this seat completely flat. Begin by moving the seat as far forward as possible. Then, use the recline lever to lay the seat back down. Make sure the headrest is either lowered or removed to allow for a full recline. This creates a long, flat surface for longer items. Moving to the second row, folding these seats is straightforward. You'll typically find a release lever or strap on the top outer edge of each seat back. Pull this lever to unlatch the seat back, allowing it to fold down flat. Some models also allow you to slide the entire seat forward after folding, creating an even flatter and more extensive cargo floor. Always ensure seatbelts are clear before folding. For Outlander models equipped with a third row, folding these seats is designed for convenience. First, lower the headrests completely. Then, locate the release strap or lever, usually found on the back of the seat or near the side. Pull this to release the seat back, allowing it to fold forward and down into the floor. This creates a significantly larger, flat cargo area, perfect for bigger loads. With all the rear seats folded down, your Mitsubishi Outlander transforms into a versatile cargo hauler, offering a substantial amount of space, often exceeding 60 cubic feet. This is ideal for moving larger items or for road trips requiring extra gear. Always remember to secure your cargo properly to prevent it from shifting while driving. For ultimate comfort on your adventures, remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.